Naruzotono siu Mia actually sini khoraksa bukhukje je sexually harassed molest khaijamane tuyei YTF rok thangai YTF TWF ti promoter thangai aro TISF thangai kaisa FR lodge khaimani and police no ekdom karak evidence by bangno saika bukha je o borok romjane nangnai hinai belani khobar kamni bisingtei sing saiman ka je sing o borono detain khai tabu arrest khaiman ka haisi o bhaike possibilities bhaike mo man bhaike mo actually sing khaiman abonu sing barbar chanani chesta khayu je jefro tiprasar thancha tong hanggang kai khaiman ya mungsa kri haisi abonu moino bobagra barbar request khayu je sing thancha ma tongnai haisi tini just within 24 hours kaya kho o borono sing tabu detain khai sing arrest khaiman ka omo sini joto YTM ni leaders TWM ni leaders ti promote ni leaders TIS ni leaders TISF town committee joto tonai bor joto sini help kham bisingtei sing tinam hake kaisa success sing evidence sing man khaisi sing tini success detain khaiman ka ang sane haisi abon barbar sane chesta khaising tomungno ti prasar thanja tongi man kha hangkang kai sing mo hai jinis rongno sing romi mane kunu kri haisi mo tripura chini boroni bisingo jono kebo am hai injustice feeling itong hangang kai khaiman yakunu kri haisi abon manang sau kabangma rajniti thngai tong haisi BJP thang CPM thang Congress thang IPF thang te kabangma tong lai jotona jan hamjalai but jotona sau dofani kok jotona sau bono khainani hai kok biang khama khatabu oje CPM ni Ganamukti Porishad biang khama kha Congress ni Sudip Rai Burman khoraksa kaisa statement danu khamia jagawo ekta statement krei na CPM ni hoite na BJP ni hoite kaisa pan statement krei sob somoyno ki tipramotha YTF TW ni simila ta dak dofana tei tiprasana tei bubakra tipramotha ni simila dak to tai onyani kono dak to krikeda abana barbar sanani ayo haisi tabuk sing jotesto siu jotesto saimano Bubakra bade tei kebo krei tiprasana hamjagi manai tiprasani kongno sanai haisi sing tinamon kaisa proman I was very grateful Bubakra ni bisingtei singjema hai kaisa sing kaisa achievement sini bukhukje kaisa rape khaijana thangai tongmani singamno kasui sing tabu aborone arrest khaiman ka 24 hours kaya not even 24 hours Mia horni 8 tawo FIR khaika just tabuk ada gonta sikang bo arrest ka This is the power of Tiprasa and this is the power of Omono kaisa Tiprasa ni power haisi kok salai joto no janjani political faida ni bagai tabu abono a photo no tabu BJP rok share khai bor credit nana mo jagana no problem but khaidi bkhabai haisi Ganamukti Porishad Jitendra Chaudhary biang kama tabu where are the Janajati Morchas tai kabama political sa sali haisi ang Tripura hastevo joton tiprasan siklana bai simi rajniti khale YTF TWF Tipramotha is not only a part of political background and it's not only a part of political party haisi sing try khayo to help our people as socially haisi sing mo kaise big achievement sing khoraksa bukhuk jemia bo a jagao thangai university thangai je rape khaijan nai tongmano tei police no SP no SDPO no as joto tongai aro osino sing direct saka tumung no norok omno detain khemi arrest khemani hangkai bus kango choba kotorta mungna bu sing communal issues panangna thangai chance tongai sem borok smaja saka singno sorardi sing romi fungnai police bo tabu sino romi funu kaise police bo arrest khai funu ka so this achievement is not only for YTF This achievement is not for Tipramotha. This achievement is for Tiprasa community haisi. Khoraksa bukhukje rape khaijang nai thangai tongmani abono singma thangmani abo tinmia judino o bukhukje o Tiprajek bo judino obno step naya ba bo obono kiriwoi bo siring achugui tong hangkai in future bo Tiprajani kapala abo kalekam sing saimala kam haisi. But I would really like to thank her. At least bo ekdom confident khaye ekdom kerak bai bo amno bo saksa video chagai bini video bo nijin chagai bo amno save khayai tai onyo kabangma tipra jongni life no bo secure khamen bagai ang sanani musung haisi sini tipra sa takhura no busuno ang sanani musung if we are united sing judini united hingang ke thansang hangkai tipra sani bikmo tungsapan songmai haisi o hawo asuk jaroti guarantee rago thangla tabuk tipra hawo tipra thani khoraksa tipra sono bakhay tingsap dehni bikum tingsap punya jaisi phono gerna sajan salano that we are the owner of this state sing rohani malik abu bakhaw bokhor go chongdi sab samay na kabangma khaleyo political this and that are politics will party will go will come phainai thangnai but dofa tongna nangna haisi dofa tongya ke nung sabai party khainai na Mia so hor sara Tripura prakelijak not only from Shillong Times, Meghalaya, Shillong ni hingtung, ni Nagaland hingtung, Mizoram ni hingtung, Assam ni hingtung, boro joto no call kaisung no tension nang jago Tripura saro tabuk oxygen tongmani bagay. But sing bo proof kai pung kaze sing ohani besa sing 24 hour ni bising o borono bo sing eras kai tukhle man ka abo sing bo punu kaisi. There is a power of Tripura sing. Amonor sinan dorkar. We are not here only to gain politics. We are here to save our people. We are here to give the rights to the people of Tripura. Abo te buhur buci nai. Tripura te buhur buci nai. Tini buci ya kena buci ya. Jepru totally kelagi tangcong nai. Abo nung buci kun lap kiri haise. Amba yang sana ni nayo. Seng mane koraksa bukuk just mang tong bani relatives ya. But bot Tripura ble, ani community ni borok ble, bona sep khani ani rights tatong, sin rights tong haise. Awan main sengnuka thoraksa Bishojit Debarma, pun tok sui hake lama kazaro buthar jagai tok thar jagai buthar video evidence ongai kuno justice mani haise. Same wise, Agartala sohoro Chudirpur Debarma hanai sengno am hai zamani seng abaronoti action karang nawe seng am herone eras khaiman ka. Communal issue sab senam ba Tripura sa to senam ya jaga wo awon pare sungnuka lahari Debarma big bazaro heres khaijagai bosak sak ma thigya priyanka riyang buthar jaka alu sakirani jomatia te apania park basang khorni khortam bai rep khaijagai buthar jagai tam justice man ka amon khasinani belai dorkar tabu bu khasi khana bu khasi te bur khasina ba awon banyo sini request obase Naro Tripura motana hamjak di bobagrana hamjak di akogi haisi. Sini request obono tongo. Tripura sane jekono difficulty times sing help khaya nangnai. Abo sini motive abo sini nar mong haisi. Bobagra abo nai je Tripura sane khani phanrana ni musungo. Mia joto SP, SDPO sodor ningting joto ningting everywhere they were really aware of it. But Tripura sane omne aware krei. Baksa tongo FB, ha? Facebook of haye ulta pulta singani intellectual neta hani saksa gosiwo. Sorkani beton cha cha wai noga AC gari kawai tongo ha gari kotor pailei nondo noga khai jaga pailei tonglo biang kama khanor tabok singbo jotis theo sibo bom nang bom hai Tripura sane bai nang fight kai nang niji sa kaisa bohong ne bai fight khenor sing joton non jotis siwa aisi bobagra jekono Tripura sane bai kok sari aprka chaya we know you and we know your house we know your address Tripura sane bo Azagaw alanya tatlang di haisi. We fight enough. Sini hanang na bagay sing kebang ma coba khai kya haisi. Hokang bai coba khai le kya, but sing mania ko. Amun banyang zora ma saw haisi. Sing bai ke coba khai nang. What is the reason? Tamun bagay sing coba khai nang abun nung zotis to siwa haisi. Amun banya tini ora sing kuno YTF ningi sing kuno ora achievement na thangya. This achievement is not for YTF. This achievement is not for Tripura mota. This achievement is for Tripura sa. Bobagra suno tam teach khai. We know how to fight. We should know how to fight. Sing bai ke coba khai ne sing aba sina nang waise. Am manyang saw. Tripura sen joto takuk te bukuk song no. Tak kiri de. Nini live o nini nang sak jekono difficulty face no feel kai tong kai. You should know how to fight back with them haise. Apur sinai o Tripura sar kamo. Sengka o Tripura sani 184 bongsoni thuyni buthirok or thuyno tuita khaji hese abon baina ang sanani nayo sung tabuk tinini simi sung joto nukhana just miya thangai sung fight khama bai tiprasani chobata mo hese sung je kuno somoyo tabu nung tini simiya anytime anywhere je kuno hese at any time UK7 rider Uttarakhand ni phai museum phai BDT saka sab affair khaika again YTF bubagarano batpar hunka sab news onosonan sab affair khaika again YTF tangai YTF ni bagai simda bubagarang si saratirpan bai bubagarang liya da bo saratirpan mara seda millions and millions ni Home Minister Amit Shah se masawa Raja Sahab gunung tiprasale tini tambai bubagarang nung tini gosiman yang nang hai khoraksa khursu tiprasani bagai no sungtina jago kelagi tongo we are stuck here. I would like to thank to all the teams of YTF, to all the team of TWF, as well as Uttam Tripura Town Convener, Bini Chuba Mumbai, Sini Joto Chuba Mumbai, Sung Obarono Sung Eres Keman Kahesi. Tai gonta kasin bising no, Sin Thani Oldi, Ani Thani Oldi, 40 Sokpakia, and share Kayan Tomani actually, Sarigo Life Kayan Tomani. But ojagawo koyekjona BJP ni jara korya kotorok jara BJP ni tamjani district tam hunabang semia borabo share khaitonga dekhata ko oborno romiman khane ekjona kre ekjona not a single person from any other political organization was there when we filed an FIR yesterday. Khoraksa political ni kono jaga ni kre hesi na Ganamukti Parishad bad di CPM na to aise CPM ni simino all culture tu bujago Tripura rape and murder was created from CPM regime Tripura sarano rape khanya ni drugs na ni am CPM ni amal simi tu bujago am CPM ro kono din na Tripura sarano na ya aise the duty to save Tripura is not only Tripura Motha YTF TWF it is for entire Tripura aise Almost save Kenyan bagay. Abon bane barbar nong na request kay sawo sini bosong sini tiprasa bosong no je tiprasa ni choba ni bagay fight Kenyan bagay timo Tripura Motha ni simi daikto ya mo joto tiprasa ni bag daikto haisi even tini sana kalayo ma sawo zora man khaba tiprasa accord tripartite accord je agreement sign khaijak abo suru Tripura Motha ni simi daikto ya Abo joto Tiprasa community Kobrok speaking people the 19 tribes of Tripura borong ni joto ni bagino abo kaham subida khajag tung Tiprasa ekodobo when will you all understand nor buhur buji nai tai abo tomuno buji yang kai tini mo hai ing tomani je chikon tomani tai bong nai haisi mia bo haino it was happened in broad daylight sal kathang khorakso bukhungno khaja tangai heres khai moles khai sal kathang emon din bo phayana sal kathang rep khaijong man haisi abon bain mo sudu Tripura Motha YTF TW misimi daikto yamo ang bain ang credit ang sudu YTF TW na ang credit na musungya this credit goes to all the Tripura's community when we stay united we will achieve more. But if we can't stay united, we can't achieve anything. Kono pan achieve kay mga lakisi. Amon manyang sana ni musungo, stay united for saving our community, for saving our people. Sing nukha, tini nuknay, je tamong kaisi. Ang tangay tongo, tay arogonta ni bisingo, sing sini PSO thanai police bai kok sanai je oborono tam khaiman haisi meni simi jotono sung tension nanglaijak how can this happen to one of the Tripura girl bakeng man on bake hai khaiman am banyang sana nayo thancha tongdi thancha tongkha beono fight back khani ni logi sung de haisi jotono ase kok kasari jotono hambai Tripura I block thang